Time to make a little set with this. Here's my Lego Mario level set. I use all the pieces from the starter set to make this level. But if you wanted to, you can get like, let me get a few extra ones. If you wanted to add some ones they had from the starter, from the blind bags I mean the character packs, you can have it a little something like this. Ta-da! You can add this to make it a little bit more, to add a little bit more stuff. Let me show you how it'll be like. I'm just gonna ignore these little ones. Let me show you how the set will be normally. And as soon as you go into Warp Pipe, it'll stop on the screen, on the game screen, and Mario will continue. And even play some of the original games music. 15 seconds. Go here. Actually, no, it's supposed to be this. Then Tanuki. Oops. You hit his head too hard. Go on here.
Jeffrey Bowser.
Knock over Bowser Jr. Stomp on him not once, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, but 5 times. Then go up here. Slide down, and you finish. Let's see how many coins you got on Mario. Okay, let's show you the set without any of the character packs. $10 coins. Stomp the Goomba. Wait for the platform to return. Be careful. Put mine on the little cloud block. Get some coins. Mario's a bit heavy. Go on here. Break Bowser Jr.'s castle. Jump him not 1 time, not 2 times, but 5 times. Continue on. $29. Let me just, but looks like the app did not read it. So let's just try this again, but faster. $10 coins. Be careful. Go on the cloud block. Get off. Bounce on Bowser Jr. 5 times. Go on here, go then here, here, and then black hole. Finish. Finish! Let's see how many points we got. 33 coins, and look. 33 coins. Okay, so 2 coins for using the extension bricks. 1 for letting, I think, Mario go off course. 7 for the cloud block. 10 for the question mark block. 2 for the spinning wheel. 1 for using a Goomba, and 10 for Bowser Jr. So in total, I got 33 coins. Oh yeah, it also gives some of the details of your course, and you can add a title. Delete it. So let me show you how it will be like if I added some extra enemies. Some extra items. just added these few extra enemies. So now let's try this again. See what we're gonna get. Five coins. Put this guy down. Got 1 coin. Go on here. Get the question mark thing. Get the extra question mark block. Invincibility. I can kill the fuzzy easily and beat Tifa. So yeah. Then go here. Stomp on Bowser. Stomp on him not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 5 times. Then go to the end, and I beat it. Let's see our total score now. 42. Okay, so 2 from the extra pieces, 5 from the question mark block, 2 from the little spinning thing, 1 from the Goomba. We get 6 because of the Buzzy Beetle, 1 because of Sea Life, 12 because I used a boo and killed it, 10 because of Bowser Jr., and 3 because of the mushroom.
Cool.
Yeah. 42 coins. So yeah, guys, the starter set. That's the starter set. I forgot to mention, you get a Goomba, Bowser Jr., and Mario. Mario is the main if there was like any reason you should get the starter set, is because of Mario. Mario and Bowser Jr. are the 2 main reasons, and also, you know, every other set requires Mario to work. If you're just buying all the sets and you won't get the starter set, all you're gonna have is just a display without Mario. You cannot play it if you don't have Mario. So, the starter set is required. So yeah. You get some cool exclusive panels or blocks like this one, which plays that castle music, and you get coins the longer you spin him. This one plays a Tanuki sound, and you get coins. And this set is basically required to play. And also you can add other sets to your collection, like the one I mentioned, Monty Mole and Super Mushroom. Another set like Guarded Fortress, and another one like Propeller Mario. This one, you get it if you buy at the Lego store. This one is a separate set, and this one is to give Mario extra powers. He can fly through the levels without this cloud block.
It's a power pack.
Yeah.
That one isn't. Those 2 are expansion sets, and this is like a power up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can basically find this at any store that sells Lego Mario. This one you can only get in Lego in stores, so if you're thinking of buying it online, it's in store. And this one you can find it like in the Lego store or Target, or I think Walmart. I don't know, wherever you can find Lego Mario sets. So yeah. So yeah, guys, we'll do a separate video for every single set. So yeah, guys, if you like this video and want to see more videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more notifications on future videos. So yeah, guys, see you in our next video. Bye.